Alright, it is Wednesday, August 22nd at 4:36 p.m. Alright, let's take a look at these articles. The galaxy is soaked with water-rich alien planets. Water worlds are incredibly common throughout the Milky Way galaxy, a new study suggests. There are those 2 to 4 times larger than Earth, tend to harbor huge amounts of water, according to the research. Indeed, some of these exotic worlds are probably up to 50% water by weight, seemingly wet Earth, and in contrast to 0.02% water by weight. Our data indicate that about 35% of all known exoplanets, which are bigger than Earth, should be water-rich. Study leader Li Zhang, a fellow Department of Earth and Planetary Sciences at Harvard University, said in a statement, "It was a huge surprise to realize that there must be so many water worlds." Alright, before there was barely any life that could be discovered in our solar system and in our galaxy. Now our galaxy is soaked with water-rich alien life planets. Alright, next, Hurricane Lane. Alright, Hurricane Lane looks absolutely massive from space. A Hurricane Lane hurtles towards Hawaii. Images captured from space show the full extent of the massive storm. Images captured by the NASA and National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration show the Category 4 storms rolling towards Hawaii with sustained winds of 155 miles per hour that could cause catastrophic damage. Hurricane Lane was briefly upgraded to a Category 5 storm on Tuesday night into Tuesday morning, with winds topped 160 miles per hour, just hours before its expected landfall in Hawaii. So Hurricane Lane is a Category 5 hurricane with 160 miles per hour. Alright. Next, artist's artificial star will take public art to new heights. A light reflecting balloon will look like a star moving across the night sky. In 2008, Trevor Paglen picked up the phone and started calling around to see if he could drum up support for his latest idea. The Berlin-based artist wanted to put into low orbit a big, shiny object that from the ground below would look like a star moving across the night sky. It would be work that interprets aerospace engineer as an art form, he said. Now, 10 years later, Paglen is about to realize that dream. In mid-November, a brick-sized CubeSat containing his neo-minimalistic sculpture and narrow-shaped polyethylene balloon coated with highly reflective titanium dioxide will go into space aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket launched from Vandenberg Air Force Base in California. Once the CubeSat is in stable orbit for about 360 miles above Earth, the balloon, dubbed Orbital reflector, will be released. Carbon dioxide cartridge will inflate to its full 100-foot long size, or about the 2 dimensions of 2 school buses parked from end to end. Alright, so all these videos that people have been making about reflectors behind the sun and reflectors in space, now this is very interesting that there is an artist who is releasing reflectors into space. The orbital reflector is designed to remain in its orbital perch for 3 months. Eventually, Earth's gravity will tug its orbit so low that it hits the atmosphere and burns up harmlessly. Alright, so that's very interesting for people who are making videos about reflectors behind the sun or reflectors around the sun. Alright, Florida crocodile spotted using pool noodle to cross canal. This is the cutest story. Alright, a crocodile had a little support while crossing the canal in Key Largo, Florida, earlier this month, using a yellow pool noodle. The creature was caught on camera resting on the pool noodle as it swam across the water near mile marker 105 on the Overseas Highway, 113 miles along the road that runs through the Florida Keys. Alright, I saw the croc off my balcony swimming up the canal, said local Victor Perez, as he told Fox News on Wednesday. My first thought was, what happened to the person that was on the noodle? That is so funny. Just a crocodile just cruising along in a canal with his pool noodle. Alright. You guys stay safe out there. And if you find any interesting articles, please comment below and let me know. Hit like and subscribe. Alright guys, have a good one.